Hello, welcome to today's session where we will master the take an interview task. In this section, you must think on your feet and respond as fully as possible to every question, as there is no preparation time. Let's focus on building your fluency and confidence so you can speak naturally and effectively under pressure. If you found this practice session helpful, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert tips and strategies. Let's keep working together to help you reach your target score. Campus Post Office. Office A shed. This task takes place at the campus post office. You should mentally prepare for vocabulary related to mail and shipping in this professional campus setting. A clerk explains how to send packages and where the office is located. The speaker is a clerk who explains how to send packages. Listen for a helpful instructional tone as they describe the logistical procedures of the office. Now, let's look at the exact sentences you will hear and break down the best strategies to remember and repeat them perfectly. You should buy your stamps at the window. Focus on the prepositional phrase at the window to help anchor the sentence in your memory. Make sure to place a strong vocal stress on the word stamps to maintain a natural English rhythm. Please do not leave your packages on the counter. To remember this, visualize the negative command "do not leave" to avoid mistakes. Pay close attention to the plurals at the end of packages to ensure your pronunciation is grammatically accurate. All heavy boxes must be weighed by the clerk. Group all heavy boxes together as one mental chunk to make it easier to recall. Ensure you clearly pronounce the D in the passive verb weighed so the listener understands the action is being performed by someone else. The last collection for international mail happens at 4:15 every afternoon. This is a longer sentence, so anchor your memory on the specific time 4:15 every afternoon. Be precise with the sh sound in collection and the multisyllabic international to demonstrate high-level speaking control. If you need a tracking number, please ask the postal assistant. Break this into two parts: the condition if you need a tracking number and the instruction. Be careful with the consonant clusters in postal assistant to ensure your speech remains clear and professional. The post office is inside the student union. Visualize the location inside the student union to keep the phrase in your short-term memory. Ensure you don't drop the sis in post office and use a slightly rising intonation on the preposition inside. Please fill out the address form very clearly. Focus on the adverbial phrase very clearly to capture the speaker's emphasis. Practice the smooth transition between fill out and the address to avoid choppy or robotic delivery. To master the listen and repeat task, always prioritize the natural rhythm and flow of the sentence rather than panicking over a single forgotten word. Confidence and clear pronunciation are the keys to a high score. Keep practicing your chunking strategies to improve both your memory and your delivery.